So this is my vacuum of the month. It's an older Shark Navigator that I picked up a few years ago. I've got the bin clean. It is ready to go for a month of use. The point of this is to see what this left behind after strictly using this on our carpets for a month. We got a new filter, and we generally vacuum 2 to 3 times a week. And to keep it fair, I'm going to do just like I did in the Orc versus Sanitaire. Just going to be the carpets. Going to be the same amount of days. And at the end, we're going to check it out.
So this is after vacuuming the 4 main rooms in our house, along with what the filter looked like right after that.
Okay, here we are, 5 weeks into using just the Shark. The filter, I have washed it twice. Since I put it in, it was brand new. I vacuumed it off after every time we vacuumed. I have not cleaned the dustbin out. I've just been shaking it out. So pretty good bit of dust in there. And what we're gonna do today is vacuum one last time. Then we're gonna get the Sanitaire out with a new bag and see what it's left behind. All right, that's the den. That's done. I've also got to do the bedroom, the front office, and the dining room. And I'll just film one of those so you don't just see the same old thing. All right, that about wraps it up. That's the front room. I will say it leaves good carpet marks. And one thing I am noticing is there's a ton of just carpet fiber in the bin. And that's what these are known for. Yes, you're gonna, and there is dirt, don't get me wrong, and there's cat hair and dog hair, but there's a lot of carpet fiber, and we're gonna check that out in a minute. And here's the filter. So, single cyclones, they don't filter well. I can run our Dyson DC-14, do the exact same thing. The filter's clean, so the multiple cyclones definitely helps. Here's underneath. So, the only way this thing's gonna keep your house and air clean is you gotta maintain it. And I will tell you, it's a lot of work to clean this out and wash that filter and vacuum it all the time with another bagged vacuum than just have a bagged vacuum that you change the bag once every other month or so. So it's all a marketing thing to tell people that these are better. But long term, pulling up that much carpet fiber is not good on your carpet. And don't get me wrong, you're going to get carpet fiber in every vacuum, but you get more with a Shark. It's just the way it is. Let's see what we got. We got it on some paper towel here because I do not want that in my house. Try to get as much of that out as possible. But let's see what we got so far. Let's see. A lot of hair, a lot of carpet. And here's our dirt. So that did pick up a pretty good bit of dirt. We have not vacuumed since Saturday, so it was 3 days ago, and that got a pretty good bit of dirt. We've had a lot of people in and out of the house. Our cats have been in and out. Weather's been nasty, so that did pull up a pretty good bit of dirt. Not a lot of just fine dirt, but it's there. So what I'm curious is, what's the Sanitaire going to get? And like I said, that's the den, bedroom, dining room, and front office. That's all I've used this vacuum for the last 5 weeks. And I just really want to see what's left behind. You can see in the cyclone, we got a branch. Okay, so a little bit more dirt. But that's inside. You can see what we're looking at here. I'm going to get this washed and back in my storage collection. All right, so we'll see you with Sanitaire next. All right, we've got the Sanitaire ready to go. Got a brand new EnviroCare F&G bag. Never been used. And we're gonna get to it, see what this picks up, see what 5 weeks of a Shark is left behind. Already hear a little crunch. I guess the Shark left behind some larger pieces of stuff.
Alrighty, on to the next room. All right, now let's go see what we got. Okay, I've already got the bag out. I've got it cut open. I have not looked inside, so we're gonna see this for the first time. And remember, if you wanna look back, my other video where I did the ORC for 6 weeks and did this, and just initially, it doesn't look like there's as much in the bag. So let's see. And I'll turn on the light here in just a second. So we definitely have some. There's definitely some leftover dirt. But I will say not near as much as when we did the ORC. So let me get another angle here with the light on. All right, we got the light on. A little bit of carpet fiber, what I didn't expect any less on that. Some dirt, more of the fine dirt down in there mixed in. All right, so let's look up here. Definitely some there. And some in here. So I have to say I'm actually impressed. I really expected it to be worse than the ORC. And there was a lot more dirt in the ORC. I'll try to put a still shot in here for y'all to see before we close this video. But really, I mean, it didn't do bad. If you're wondering where the bin is, it's already in the tub getting soaking so I can get it clean, so I can get it back outside. But it did okay. But I will tell you, it's more work to have to clean that thing and clean the filters than it would be to just have like a HEPA bag in any regular vacuum. Doesn't have to be a direct air like this, but there's other vacuums out there that take a HEPA bag and can clean just as well. And let's face it, most people don't maintain bagless like they're supposed to. So hope this helps. It was a neat video to do. Kind of ready to start using a different vacuum because it wasn't my favorite to use, but it did okay. I'm actually impressed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. So this is a couple of pictures of what the ORC left behind after 60 days and the Sanitaire pulled up. So you can see there's a lot more dirt there. So the Shark didn't do bad at all.